Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Aragon token. The price line of Aragon is breaking out a very big symmetrical triangle on the weekly time frame. And in today's video, I want to share the next targets with you. But before moving to the charts, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, I would like to recall my major analysis about Aragon that I shared back in July 2021, when the price line of Aragon, after a big drop, completed a very big bullish harmonic bat move. And I told my members that from here, we can have a very nice buy the dip opportunity. We were moving at the very end of this buying zone, and from here we can expect a very powerful reversal, and our targets can be $8.2 to $12.63. At that time, the price line was moving at $4.15. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well, moved up to $8.75, again moved down and rallied again up to $9. Now, during this move, the price line was also breaking out a very big symmetrical triangle on the weekly time frame. By the way, this chart was on the 2-week time frame chart. And if we take a look at my next idea that I shared on 27th of November, when the price line was breaking out very big triangle, and I told my members that we have a very nice support, a long-term support of this symmetrical triangle, and it can also work as a if you want to hold it for the long term, then you can use this support as your stop loss. Now, if I play this chart to show you how the price line behaved after that, then we can see that the price line moved down and tested this support again, and now it is again moving up. Now take a look at the this live weekly time frame, and here we can see that on the weekly time frame we are again breaking out this very big symmetrical triangle. By the way, after this move, we can also change our support from this symmetrical triangle to this, because we have more touch points here and now. And right now the price line is breaking out this resistance. Previously we had a very long spike. If we switch to the daily time frame, then after this move, the price line moved down again. We did not have even a daily closing above this resistance of the triangle. Right now we are having a very powerful bullish candlestick above this resistance of the symmetrical triangle. So it is possible that we will have a daily closing above this resistance, and that will be also another very nice confirmation for the breakout. Now, if we take a look at the targets for this breakout, our first target can be here at $10.48. The second target can be $13.86, and the final target can be $17.40. And this is a really very big breakout on the long-term chart, and the price line can turn really strong bullish, and it will be a long-term rally after this breakout we can observe. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.